Elegushi is not poor. Go and say that. Somebody say, BJ, don't exonerate Elegushi. Elegushi is not poor. Go and say that on your wall. Elegushi is not pure. No, Shawa Ebi Mobile is pure. Elegushi is not pure. Do you have your evidence? Allegedly. Allegedly. BJ, don't exonerate Elegushi. Ṣé mi jẹ́ lọ́yà? No. Ṣé mo jẹ́ lọ́yà? Ẹ̀yin olóbùkún. Asòótọ́ kí lè ṣe gbẹ̀yìn. Ẹ bùnmi rá, ẹ lọ gbowó ẹ̀yìn ni. Ẹ̀yin olóbùkún. Mo ní mi tí ì fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ ṣàlẹ̀ tí mi kì í sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ fi mí lẹ̀. Ìsìnyí ọ̀ṣẹ́ gbà ọ̀rọ̀. Ó máa dé Moscow. Ó máa dé Qatar. Ó máa dé Nàìjíríà. Lásìkò ọ̀rọ̀ bá tó. Àsìkò ọ̀rọ̀ tí tó. Don't exonerate Elegushi. Èpè tí mo fẹ́ fún yín. Ẹ má jẹ́ fún yín lépè. Allegedly. Lọ́yà mi béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi. George béèrè ìgbà tá a lọ sí first year. Gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ. Mo wá wò bí ẹ tó jò pa ní bus stop tó sọ bus pass nù. Jẹ́sẹ̀ wọ́n bá mi fi mi sí. All what this lawyer said, true or false? Money true, my lord. Did you put allegedly? George ló di ìbéèrè yẹn. Did you put allegedly? I forgot to put allegedly, my lord. We postpone it till next time, Lọ́sọ. Otuwawa busy. Don't exonerate Elegushi. You dey smoke igbo. Àwọn olóṣì wọ́n wà lọ́dà fake profile. Ẹ tó máa kàṣà kó bá fún náà wá. Ó jẹ́ kí lọ ṣe omble ní kàtẹ́sì. Ó jẹ́ kí lọ ṣe omble ní kàtẹ́sì. Mo wá wà Manchester, mo wá lọ mo wò Nàìjíríà báyìí. Àìmọye àmàlà tó wù mí jẹ. Olùsí wá sórí wọ́ọ̀lù mi. Don't exonerate Elegushi. Òun ló máa kọ̀ọ̀kan síbi o. Àwọn ló tún máa mú fídíò mi náà máa kọ́ tiẹ̀ wá tún tẹ̀ dé sí Elegushi. I've learned the hard way. I learned. And let me tell you something. Before you fight for any Nigerians, especially people living in Nigeria, as a blogger, as a truth sayer, as an activist, before you fight for a Nigerian, I am telling you for free, I am still coming. It just matter share last video, Mama full details. But this is a warning to many of you. Before you stand for Nigerians, don't. Big things happen. Don't. Nigeria, oh my God, better for you. Oh, shall I see VDM now? It happened to VDM. Didn't you see it? They will go to VDM to report things that happen to them. VDM will now go to court. They will now go behind one withdraw case. Please, as a blogger, especially living in diaspora, don't fight for anybody. The only people you will see me coming out to talk for, they are my genuine lovers. I want to put more like I brown. Being there one more, I want to support me back to back. I want to marry to my wife. You will work with that. I did want you in Nigeria. And when you get this Timothy Barry, I want you to man send the case to me. Mama block you money.
Yes. Just can you fathom what is going on in my life? Is it not your son I'm fighting for? Rather you are standing there fighting for Abura. Is Mohbad not your child too? Or something around Mohbad, because nobody who have born Mohbad know that they fight for. Say that she born Abu. So why is it Adura must not die? You see, go to ask and say, who won't buy Adura? When you teach that Adura must not buy. Who told you Adura will buy? Because police won't ask a question, they detain him, they will buy. He will not buy. They just need him to answer some certain questions. That's why you are swearing. See, people don't know what he's gone through. People don't know at all if only they know what he has gone through. The year house, you don't know when last he stepped into that house. You don't know when last he entered a house. Because that's a house that no-go area. No-go area. People are there watching it 247. He didn't enter like that. He didn't go buy inside the house. You know, so it's been like sleeping up and down, up and down. The people think it's easy for him. Now, wow. It's the amazing.
I'm not going to talk concerning that matter now. So this is too much. Anyway, let me put I'll put that Yomi video because that Yomi has 8 minutes is a lawyer. But let me put the English one. I'll come back in 5 minutes. We are coming. I'm coming. I'll bring the Yomi one.
Let me give us two information if I come back to that. The first information is that a young man has come up to say that he also from the States that he is interested in the DNA, that he's going to pay all the bills for the DNA, he's going to take care of Leanne. Whether Leanne is the child of Imole or not, after the DNA, he's going to pay all the bills. A lot of about 3-4 people have sent out open letter to Wumi that because Wumi said there's no money for DNA, that whoever wants DNA should provide money for it. So more than 3 to 4 Nigerians have said that they can foot the bills of the DNA. So that is on that. Another information that came my way is that Shimoda, there was a guy called Bella Shimoda here to come and say something. And some of you are becoming very emotional and sentimental. Another information that came my way is that Bella Shimoda, the friend of late Imole, is now taking care of Imole's wife and Imole's son. Let me use that adjective. Let me explain. That he got an apartment for Wumi, Imole's wife. But Imole's girlfriend, because I've not seen marriage certificate yet, and also he's taking care of the family, and he pays Wumi on salary every 2 weeks. Now back to Imole's father. Now let me tell us something. This man is passing through a lot right now. I'm not saying that because of the man. I'm a man. I'm saying it because this is the only man that knows the pain of losing Mohbad. Now some of you are saying, why did he bury me? He buried him urgently. I've said it time and time again for those who want to hear and those who want to think. Remember, that's number one. It was not Wumi that called Mohbad's father when Mohbad arrived. I repeat, the day Imo, because we need to go back, let us go back, let's go back, because we are 2 months ahead, so we have forgotten the beginning. That's the benefit of, that's the strategy of delay, so that we can forget the beginning. The day Imo led by, it was not the wife that called the father. It was Imole's PA that called the father. So they didn't call the father to come and help their son to be alive. They called the father to come and say that his son has died. So there was nothing the father could do at that moment. Let's also remember that it was not Imole's father that embalmed Imole. Before the father got to the house, somebody had embalmed Imole. That is Darusha. Let us go back to the origin, because we are just placing anger on the man. Why did you rush to bury your son urgently? When a father comes and sees that his son has RIP'd, he has been embalmed, go to police. Police could not give him police report for his late son. Went to mortuary. They refused dropping the body there because there was no police report. Tell me what you expect him to do when he begin drop the body. Of course, I was going to them go and bury him. So let us remember the origin of this, because right now some people are trying to push the pressure to the man. How can a father that trained his son, maybe you're listening to me, you know what it means to be a single father. Even a father that has a wife and children is a double of the one that left. And this man is the only one taking care of the boys.
No, is it?
That's a question.
Very old.
And at that moment, if you already said that he was under something, they put something on him. So he was not thinking straight. He already buried his son. Thank God for this.
Hallelujah.
God and for the spirit of
You know me?
the body was fixed.
Can you imagine the way that go to the TV station? Knowing that the driver said this and they refused to act on it, why don't you divorce this? That's what they done is enough to go and arrest the lady. That hello, young woman. How come they said they left the house 3 a.m. only to him by the bleach cleaner software. And she had told them and they covered it up. Shame on them. All the causes, let me be honest with you guys. Covering something like this is a cost on all of us in this country, including the innocent children. If they can cover a million answer of the right, if I cover, okay, and the government need this person, or need this person, okay, let's get it. I
àwọn ni ká change orúkọ ẹ̀ àbí strike ní kalima ó sì bẹ́tà ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n tẹ èèyàn sílẹ̀. Are you a section, a particular set of people in the Nigerian police force? And then let's cover it. Set of people in the Nigerian police force, and then let's cover it. Cover what we bring goes on innocent people. And to have a mark to this day down, something terrible will happen in the very mobile without justice. I expect. Very shortly, the president, Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, èmi ò ní kékeré bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ kí àwọn nǹkan burúkú mi ti ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀sìnsà kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè sọ pé ní mọ̀tọ́ lọ́wọ́ president lè jẹ́ wọ́n fẹ́ gbà ló fẹ́ mú ọbẹ̀ ìlú gbóná ọbẹ̀ kọ́lọ̀ káyìí síjọba ní o àwọn kọ́ fẹ́ ṣe.
Go and bury your son. The real line of God.
There's suddenly the lawyer that wants to fight. That's direction.
They are waiting for a time for my law against the government. Or she back in Canada. He needs to wake up. And I will speak my own truth. At the end of the day, he has come back from France. President today, see my president or the first lady, see my first lady.
I remember go arrest the remaining people.
At the end of the day,
let them arrest the remaining people.
The reason why I'm going to be angry with the chairman saying about for audience that level again, not because of anything. You initiated a meeting, you brought in people that you know. Maybe IPO case me, one of meeting and college and I for procedure to have settled out of 19 for me or so pay right now for me. So they just want to speak to the police and they mess things up. That is to tell you the level of people there. So you touch about also how many that's the way what is called go. So I record that cynics was correct. They know must have done that. And it should feel like, how can I be doing this for you? Serious crime here, ó da ìwé láàmú ẹni bá kan lè ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ bá rí ibi tí máa gbé mo ti ọlọ́pàá ti wà mẹ́ẹ̀kan tí mo dé láṣà ẹgbẹ́. Owó ẹyẹ ń dán lórí social media yìí, ó jura wọn lọ. Ẹnu ọ̀nà lẹ́yìn ọlọ́pàá ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ibi tẹ máa lọ jókòó sí ní báà, tẹ máa lọ ń bóbìnrin ṣe, tẹ máa lọ ń tẹ̀lé bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n ti mọ bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n tó lẹ́yìn bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀ ẹ̀yọjú. And you have a party you are going again. It's so bad. Gbogbo information yìí gbogbo ọlọ́kadà yìí lọ́lọ́pàá ti rándọ̀, wọ́n ti rándọ̀ hàn. They will finish you up. I'm waiting to share the over here. Gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́kadà constant ọlọ́kadà ló ń gbé yín, wọ́n ti mọ̀. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó wà láàrin wọ́n ti mọ̀, ọkàn wo yìí wọ́n fi rẹ́rìn ni. Wọ́n lè tún lọ fi aṣọ àmì ẹ̀tún fi protect ẹ̀rọ ọ̀nà lẹ́yìn bí ẹgbẹ́ sójà ni àwọn èèyàn tuntun. Kọ̀fẹ́sì yẹn lè fún yín pé this man is not a soldier. Ẹ wá gbé mi sínú mítì yẹn. Ṣé ìyẹn ló fẹ́ play jáde ní àbẹ̀wò? If that is what the Kadima wants to play out, because I would like to bring it out, because that moment, another petition will now come up against him. Why she put on the and she pala, and she didn't go away. Money come at the yard, or she did it, or the petition, which more color party, which petition enough about bear rat, that one I say, she won't go down. But it put pressure on what you are doing. Or you two should do it. Fancy a papa eventually. She won't pack a 1,000 petition and all that. Whatever she don't. What actually she thought because the president Papa she put on for any 3 days. Talk of international security coordination. Oh, I should already reach over she won't para by my bus. Oh, my lord. I'm away, spirit mobile danger. Don't allow a won't for justice. mi bá bí ìgbà competition wọ́n ní olóòjì petition olúwọlé ni àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kí wọ́n padà bọ̀. mi lọ mú petition mi lọ mú sáàpù ọlọ́pàá wọ́n máa rẹ́ sí yọ̀mí ní pàǹtí yẹn mo ti lọ bí ìwé mo ti fẹ́ lọ́pàá. wọ́n lọ pé bọ́ìsì kìíní kan jáde mo ti lọ bẹ̀ dáadáa. at the end of the day you will spend. Dandan ni kẹ́ ṣe ṣóò ni. Ẹ fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni pírẹsẹ̀ntà. Ẹ mọ mílíọ̀tì ẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó jẹ́ ni. Ṣé torí ẹrù bóyá bẹ́ẹ̀ náà mo ṣe yí sí? Tí wọ́n bá ṣe kó bó ṣe jẹ́ ni, kí ọ̀tọ́ lè pè mí pé kí wá sọ̀rọ̀ tí kì í ṣe ṣọ̀wá sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀. Wọ́n á ti pè wọ́n á ti búkà wọ́n á ti máa àtúnṣe ìyẹn wọn lọ. Wọ́n á lọ sí platform ọ̀dà yín lò. Ẹ má máa mistake here o. These are not presenters. This is a forum that ń jà for justice. So ẹ bá rí mi lẹ́niwẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe media house. And these people are not media. Àjọ ń ṣeré pákàkiri lórí áàpù yìí ni láàrin àwọn àdàlẹ̀ ìṣe justice ọ̀rọ̀ àti ọ̀dà àwọn eré kí máa ṣe kí máa fi ṣe ká máa ṣe é bá ẹ̀ lè bá ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ máa ṣe é. Ó ti pẹ́ tí bá send request ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ní gbégbé sókè. Oko wọ́n mọ̀ ìyàbọ̀ gbọ́ kó wà láìpù kí n débẹ̀ kí n tẹ request ẹ̀ ọ̀bẹ̀ tẹ̀lé. Àyè akọ́ṣe gbùrùgbùrù ẹ̀gẹ́ bí báàgì mi jẹ́ akọ́kọ́ láàrin pé fọ́ọ̀rì. Nítorí kéèsì bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà mo make sure pé ìdílé mo sọ pé ẹ̀kọ́ sórí péjì fún Ìyábọ̀ pé Ìyábọ̀ I have no problem with you. Mi ò fẹ́ tó bá gbé mi àti ẹ̀ papọ̀ títí àti bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá jáde. That is integrity. Ṣé mo yé mi láti pè mí sí ni? Tó ẹ̀ka jọ wà, mo ní no ní ilé dálé. Tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá jáde, mo ní kó jáde tán. Because fún tẹ́tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ sí wọn gbére ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí ó ṣe tó bá ti padà jáde wá jáde November yìí. Tẹ́ bá bẹ́ sẹ́fẹ̀ ní àti àwọn àti ojú lásán ni ilé iṣẹ́ amúkà yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ pé kí ìsìn bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà pẹ̀lú do you know what bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó ti pín irun ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá mọ ẹni tó wà ní ẹ̀yìn kí ìsìn bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó ní kọ́ lọ́wọ́ òun sẹ́ẹ̀tì àwọn ọkọ̀ fìyà jẹ torí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀ gbogbo yìí máa ariwo máa sọ gbogbo olú wọn máa dàrú ni ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ láwọn ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló wà ní kí ìsìn princess ẹ̀ ló wà ní kí ìsìn bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà gbogbo àwọn ilé ẹ̀ mọ̀kọ́ tó pè láyé ó débi tí wọ́n tó sẹ́ẹ̀tì bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà wà gbogbo wọn padà jẹ́ tó dúkọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ tí wọlé sí ni yes ẹ̀mí ò ṣàfojú dì gbogbo wọn lọ́sẹ̀ gbégbá ẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó bá tí ó lè jáde wọn láyé it's wrong so ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọlọ́run àfiṣẹ́ ìṣọ́ wa mi ò ṣeun tó bá ní mi ò ṣeun tó ṣe kí I'm a justice fighter and I stand by the truth kí ọkọ máa fò pé kí ẹ fi owó kan máa destroy yọrí ẹni ká sọ pé mi àbòsí tẹ̀ ṣe lórí pé ẹ understand difference pé tó bá jẹ́ pé it is even absurd bí NGO kò tẹ́lẹ̀ sí ọ̀rọ̀ kéésì báyìí tí ó lè ṣe pé capital ti wà nílẹ̀ tó fi ṣe kéésì ṣé mo fi kéésì là ń ṣe ni àwọn afẹ́ ní ìdíje àwọn afẹ́ ra pátákùpá àbọ̀tà afẹ́ ra pátákùpá wàdà òkèlè tó bá ti yá abáfẹ́ ra ṣingọ́ọ̀mù àbọ̀tà àwọn ìtí àwa tí wàá bèrè owó ẹ̀kọ́ sí ẹ̀rẹ́ níta ṣe kí ló dé sọ pé àwọn olóṣèlú owó yẹn kí ló dé bẹ̀rẹ̀ accountability pé àdáwó fún ẹ̀rọ ìṣe nǹkan ṣé yẹ kí n jí o bá bèrè owó kélekèle tó bá fẹ́ ṣe irú kéèsì ńlá báyìí ọ̀rẹ́ yìí bẹ̀rẹ̀ kẹ̀tẹ̀ sí kó fẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ sí kéèsì kó máa bèrè báwọn àtọ́jú òkú ti yẹ ká máa tún ṣe kí náà lẹ̀ dáwó no ọmọ owó pé I just have to ẹtì dáwọ́ lọ síbi kan mo ti mọ̀ pé ẹ̀rọ níbẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ owó yẹn gèsè mo wá ń fi rìpọ́ọ̀tì mo ṣe kéle eré tẹ̀lé èyí tẹ̀lé níbi náà. ó wá ń bèrè owó ṣé ọkọ̀ tó ń gbé mọ́ kéèsì tó wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀kọ́ pé kẹ́tì tọmọ báyìí ṣé lóbi kọ̀ fẹ́ fún kọ́kọ́ jẹ́ sílẹ̀. You face the government, you face the DPP, you face the police, you face the people that are buying Mohbad. And they will keep frustrating. Inú ẹ̀ náà máa ti máa fẹ́ gbé yọ̀ mí. Inú ẹ̀ náà máa fẹ́ wá ẹ̀wọ̀n síbi náà lẹ́sẹ̀. Ẹ̀rọ tó fight for justice gbé orí Yomi Amzat ní ẹ̀wọ̀n ìgbà tó gbé ni. Kó wá máa ṣàkáǹtì fún ìgbà tó gbé wọn yẹn o. Òun aṣọ òbílẹ̀ ni ìdọ̀tí nìyẹn náà. Ìdọ̀tí nìyẹn bọ́ majority are not informed. Wọ́n bèrè owó àwọn àgbẹ̀ yẹn máa fi disgrace mi màá máa fọ́ fún yẹn. Tí bá ti bèrè tẹ́ bá ti dá màá máa wọlé. Ọlọ́run tó máa ṣe mo ti tẹ́rí sí nìyẹn kí wọ́n nítorí pé ọ̀dà ọ̀hún á lọ àwọn tí ò ní mọ̀ lọ́wọ́ pé kì í wá ìsìkọ̀ go and take up the job kẹ́ bọ́ síta kẹ́ face offline kẹ́ máa ṣe kéèsì lọ fúnra yín one on one kẹ́ máa face without the budget without fund available àfẹ́ṣe ordinary
Before you continue, make I ask one question before we go. The people wey dey drag Yomi now.
If we survive this, we know that we paid our dues as an NGO. We know that we paid our dues, and I paid the dues by sacrificing my integrity, my image, my reputation, and my life. If we survive it, because I have never told anybody I survive it, or Oshogo I survive, or Oshogo didn't survive, or Wolon Yewa. But if we survive, for trying to do something better in the society. So kí ọkọ wa máa jókòó lórí nǹkan kékeré náà ṣe. Nígbà tó bá sọ pé kí nǹkan ẹ̀kọ́ lè lọ́dọ̀ ṣe nǹkan lè lọ́dọ̀ ṣe. Ó yá àwọn ìta tí wàá ṣe bí mẹ́jọ mẹ́wàá tó jẹ́ ní run each of them run into millions upon millions. Báyìí ṣe wo pé mo lè dásáwà ní jí operate ẹlẹ́mẹ̀ tó bá ní fọ́ọ̀sì wọn ẹ̀fí execute lé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀lẹ̀. Everything is to achieve results. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo wọn lọ́wọ́ wọn ìwà wọn ò dá. Wọn dánú ẹbí wọn dánú ilé wọn tún lórí justice of ọba nǹkan dọ̀tí èrò dọ̀tí yẹn náà máa gbé wá just to bring their children down. Àwọn yìí wọ́n náà máa tẹ́lẹ̀ sí nǹkan báyìí nǹkan kú báyìí kó jẹ́ pé nǹkan ọ̀rọ̀ kékeré àwọn nǹkan tí ò tiẹ̀ make sense lẹ́nu bring it down kí ló yẹ wá jókòó. Ẹ bá máa fi ojú awé òwú ẹ̀kọ́ láti lẹ̀ wọ́n di ẹyin ẹ̀. Alóhùn sọ jíjà Amẹ́ríkà. Ṣé èèyàn kiri lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yẹn gbogbo èèyàn ṣe wọ́n ṣe no string tí ń kéré síbi báyìí ó ṣe ìtòfẹ́ nígbà tẹ́ wọ́n gbé lábẹ́bẹ́ sí mú. Sọ̀rọ̀ ó sọ̀rọ̀ about justice ó sọ̀rọ̀ about kíkọ́ oh limọ̀ you have no knowledge you be coming to say. Àwọn alábẹ́bí tó ti dókun yẹn ẹ̀wọ̀n alábẹ́bí tó wà ní tó ilé wa ní kíni láàbà ta. Káwágbé àwọn ata ti àwọn tomato ẹ̀ṣà.
Therefore, justice of bad guys. The people wey dey say make Yomi stop since. Stop not fighting on our money they chop blah blah blah. Since when Yomi stop arrest?
Barrister, just arrange you about that.